Hello viewers, I am Venkat Rao Gaddam, stock market technical analyst. So today we'll see what happened in the previous week for all three major indices like Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, and we'll see what is going to happen in next week. Just we'll see the prediction as well. So first let us start with Nifty. Nifty one-day chart comparatively last 4 or 5 sessions. So this is one of the weak session and bearish candle also formed and it was closed below last 4 days close. So still it is in indecisive mode because Nifty was closed above 18,300 level. There was some weakness if it closes below 18,200 level. And since last 3 days it didn't cross 18,400 level and it didn't break 18,200 level also. So there was a tight range between 18,400 and 18,200 level. And if we see weekly chart, there was a bearish spinning top formed. Generally bearish spinning top means, so if market closes above that top, that is 18,400 level, or below the low that was about 18,200 level, then it may take into the same direction. So which one is first breaks and closes above that high or below this low is most important. And if we see monthly chart also, this was one of the small range in terms of monthly candle and in terms of weekly candle as well. So according to data, we anticipated about 328 points range for Nifty, but it was the actual range was about 232 points range. This is one of the smallest range comparatively last 15 or 20 weeks. So previous to previous week, the range was about 393 points, and at least not even 50% also didn't meet comparatively previous week. So that's why most of the option buyers may got losses. So sellers may got huge profits according to this data. So last week high was 18,442 and low was 18,210. So comparatively our analysis last week we had given if market any day closes above 18,422, it may go upside, but market touched 18,422 level. None of the day it was closed above 18,422 level. So there are two touch points actually. These two are the touch points. If you see the difference between 271 and 422, solidly about 150 points we encashed in Nifty out of 232 points. And comparatively monthly data, so this is November data. As of now, almost all 3 weeks closed and another 8 sessions are pending. So till now, 483 points range was formed for Nifty, and we anticipated about 1,000 points. And previous to previous month, not previous to previous month, sorry, October month, the range was about more than 1100 points, but as of now, it was about 483 points. This is one of the smallest range, but still we have 8 more sessions to complete. So we'll see what happened. But as of now, monthly data also it is moving very slowly, and weekly data already given some clarity. One of the smallest range comparatively near last 15 to 20 weeks. So this is about Nifty. And when we observe Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty, first let us see from one day chart. So there are two bearish patterns formed even in Bank Nifty day before yesterday. That was Thursday's data. It is indicating that there is a shooting star, and yesterday's data it is indicating a hanging man candle. So these two are bearish patterns. So generally these patterns will be formed on top of at the end of uptrend. So some last 3 days it is maintaining same high. So it didn't break 42,600 level. So 42,600 level has huge resistance. So 3 days it is maintaining same kind of resistance. So market may take some break over here and it may falls down, but we need to have some confirmation. So till now it is under consolidation only, we need to wait. And weekly data, if we observe, there is a bullish spinning top formed. So whether bullish or bearish spinning tops, generally spinning tops will give us some future guidance. So if next week closes above 42,600, market may go upside, and if it closes below 42,000 level, market may come towards downward direction. So monthly data also, and comparatively previous week, this is also one of the smallest range. So if we observe the data, what happened, so Nifty, what we anticipated about 1088 points we anticipated, but last week it was formed 658 points only. This is one of the smallest range recent weeks data when we compare. And high was 42,623, low was 41,965. So 41,965 months, this is one touch point, and 42,620, 633 we anticipated, but it reached about 42,623 level. So from here to here, 42,000 to 42,633 means about 600 points. Out of 600 points, we can encash 300 points at least. And monthly data as of now, it was formed about 1800 points range, but we anticipated more than 3000 points, and last month, October month, it was formed more than 3500 points range. So another 8 more sessions are there. Compared to last month, till now it was formed very less range. So we need to see for next 8 sessions what will be happen. We are expecting about 3000 points range, another 200 points range we need to see. And Nifty also formed a very less range in 1 day's data and 1 week's data. So here last 3 days it didn't cross 19,200 level, and yesterday and day before yesterday it was formed two bearish candles. So first one on Thursday it was formed one shooting star, and yesterday it was formed one hanging man. So these two are indicating some bearishness in the market, but we need to have some confirmation. And comparatively, weekly data also has some spinning top. So both in Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, all three indices is formed a spinning top candles in weekly data. So we need to watch carefully. So maybe generally spinning tops, it may convert evening stars also. So next week is most important actually. So monthly data also, it is indicating very small range, but the close was one of the finest closing. So at least next 8 days, if it sustains above 19,000 level, this is the Fin Nifty closing was one of the finest closing, all time best closing. And if we see the Fin Nifty data, what we anticipated, more than 440, 450 points range we expected, but it was formed about 273 points range. One of the smallest range formed in weekly data. And last week to previous week, the range was about 624 points, but not even 50% also it reached in last week. So all three major indexes formed a tight range. So what we anticipated, 380, 320 points in Nifty and more than 1000 points in Bank Nifty, and 445 points range in Fin Nifty. None of the three major indices reached our what we call range. So that's why we are anticipating that all option buyers may got losses or very little bit profits, and option sellers may got good profits in last week. So monthly data also, weekly data also, if we compare, so 19,193 to 18,920. So 19,193 to 18,920. So these are the touch points. So here 1927 to 123, maybe about 200 points in Fin Nifty, and here 300 points in Bank Nifty, and here about 150 points in Nifty we may encash in from these three indices. So monthly data also we anticipated more about 1400 points range in November for Fin Nifty, but as of now it formed about 760 points only. So last month in October the range was about 1322 points. So this is about the actual prediction for last week and what happened in last week. So all three major indices was formed in very tight range, so we need to watch for next week as well. So for Nifty, the important levels are 18,400 above and 18,200 below, and for Bank Nifty 42,600 is higher level, and 42,000 below is the lower level, and Fin Nifty 19,200 is the higher level, and 19,000 level are the lower levels. These are the important levels. And coming to this week, so this is the 21st predictions. So this is the next week predictions, 21st to 25th November, week number 47, and this is entire November data. So all three major indices are having short term, medium term and long term analysis. So the bottom ones are the corresponding indices support levels. So at short term, Nifty has support at 18,263 level, and medium term it has support at 17,634, and long term Nifty has supported 17,021 level. So this is the closing on Friday. So all three terms are indicating bullishness only, but only worrying factor 18,300 is very close to short term 18,263 level. So what we are anticipating, comparatively last 7 weeks data, there was a big bull run, so it may take some little bit profit booking. So in short term only, medium term and long term has very good supports. So in short term we may expect some bearishness. So 18,263 level, if Nifty closes below that level, we may expect some profit booking till 17,000 around 600 levels. Okay, this is about Nifty. And Bank Nifty. So medium short term 42,000 level, and medium term 40,423 level, and 36,833 is for longer term. So this close, Friday's close was one of the best close, but only thing, it is very close to short term level. So if market closes below 42,000 level, so it may comes downside only till 40,500 level. And Fin Nifty has 18,880 level support for short term, and 18,216 is support for medium term, and 17,100 is for long term. So as per yesterday's close, it was closed above 19,000 level. So all three terms are indicating bullish only, but here also it is very close to short term. So all three major indices are indicating weakness in short term and very nearer to short term support level. Suppose if it closes below these levels, we may expect some short term bearishness in all three major indices. So here we are mentioning all green zones and red zones. So market, if it is entering into red zones, so there may be some weakness. So we need to watch all these levels carefully. I am not a SEBI registered technical analyst. All these values are giving for educational purpose only. So please contact our financial advisor if there are any financial related advices you require. So that's all about today's analysis. Next we will meet in Monday's session. Thank you so much.